G'day, John here from Dunwrights. It's been a while. Did you ever hear the story about the mechanic that sold a car to a pea platter and it was the best car in the world? Yeah, you never heard that one, did you? So I bought a car from a mechanic once and it was terrible. Lasted about 6 months. Anyway, the mechanic that sold me that car, I reckon, might have done my electrical in my switchboard that I now currently own. Wonderful switchboard, beautiful piece of work. Very agricultural. I did a blog post the other day about switchboards, and I figured why not do a poorly done video about them as well. So to talk about switchboards a little bit, just so you guys don't fall into the same trap as other people do, when you get your switchboard done by a licensed electrician, make sure that they give you a COC at the end of the job, and make sure you get test results if you do require them. Make sure they're labelled correctly as well. As you can see here, ignore all labels. We don't know what a lot of these things do, where they go or why. It's a very odd arrangement that's in this switchboard, and this is going to become part of a little mini series. The property that I'm now at quite possibly has the worst electrical in the world, and there's enough of it to do a mini series. So move over neighbours, Dunwrights is taking over, and we'll be on every Wednesday at 7. When you do get a switchboard, make sure that you have the correct safety switches installed. Safety switches, which are these, they do need to be installed on all switchboards that are new and currently newly installed. You can't use circuit breakers anymore. They are now illegal for new switchboards or new installations unless it's for a certain plant and equipment. If it's in your house, you shouldn't have any of these in your switchboard if it's a new install anymore. You should only have your safety switches. Make sure that everything's labelled correctly as well. It's going to be a pain for you if you have the power tripping out and the fan's not the fan, the power's not the power. That's not really ideal at all. It also makes it a lot easier for the next electrician that comes along and has to do any work at your property. So, as I say, this is just an introductory video into one of the 8 switchboards that are at this property. And we'll come back and see you again when we do the repair and show you what it's supposed to look like. Anyway, we'll look forward to seeing you then. Have a good day.